I'm about to show you a very intimate moment between Woodsy and his one true love, alright?
Cue the music. Hey man.
Yo, I am currently enjoying what might well be my very last brownie here at Miramar Surf Camp. We have genuinely had an incredible trip and an amazing little snippet out of the winter into the hot, onto the beach, learning a new skill and having a great time doing it. I'm absolutely loving it. I don't want to go, but then again, I'm desperate to go back skiing. You know, it's gonna be sick. We got Slush Cup coming up. We got the Audi 9s, we got Kimbo sessions, open cluster, loads of stuff's going on. It's gonna be very exciting.
Before you take a bite, wait.
Oh, that was close.
Take a bite, I need to change the mode. I'm gonna do some slow-mo of this.
You know what?
Bite.
I really think that some slow motion of the last bit of this brownie is a cracking plan.
Cue the music.
Holy, that was a good brownie. We should go to the gym. So a lot of people were asking about what I do in the gym, etc, and how I stay fit and all the rest. And it's a pretty relevant question because I didn't really know what I did until a couple of years ago, to be honest with you. And for me, it came from injuries and learning from that and how to prevent injuries and be better once injuries happen. I used to think the gym was super boring and for nerds and that was it, and get out and go skiing. Until that point, you know. So now I'm 27 and I want to live forever, and you know, I kind of get my kicks out of going to the gym and just at least staying at an optimal fitness. So I say optimal, I mean staying of a fitness. I want to be as good as I can be, but I also enjoy chocolate cake and ice cream together as one, and milkshakes and burgers and all the rest. But the point is, the very point is, you have to do something, and you have to be motivated to do something. And if your motivations are only coming from wanting to look a little bit better and wanting to feel a little bit more comfortable, then just do it, will you? You know, like just make yourself do it. Enough preaching. I want to go surfing. Oh! I'm gonna get out there really soon, but before I do that, I'm gonna run you through one set of the exercise that I've been doing with the best that I've got. And to be honest, it's not that bad here right now. I've got quite a lot at my disposal. One of these days we'll run through a hotel room workout where there's nothing else but a bit of floor. And I do that quite a lot as well. The first thing, rolling and stretching, a little bit of yoga, always on that, but I don't have time. So, like I said, they got a few different things. This is kind of perfect. I've got no idea how much it actually really weighs. It's just a thing, but it's pretty light. So what I'm gonna do is just do one like single leg split squat stuff, like that. And like I've said before, and I'll say again, I am absolutely not a personal trainer or qualified or nothing like that. This is just an insight into Woodsy's world and what he gets up to. But because it's a bit lighter, you know, I know you don't have a great deal of choice of weights. Usually you don't have any choice of any weights. But single leg's good, really good, keeping your balance on, you know, staying equal. And the other one, I'll use the same weight, but for like single leg Romanian style deadlifties things. But again, because it's super duper light, I'll do it on one leg. And like everything, form's the most important thing, so I always do a couple of like warm-up ones to make sure I'm doing the right thing, you know, before I go to a single leg.
There's always time for a curl or two.
Hell yeah. It is hot. It is really hot. And this is quite cool because this thing's not stable. Whoop. It's kind of a bit of everything. This is a very weird board, it kind of sticks and then zooms, and then arms, shoulders, core, back, mostly core. It's quite heavy though. Oh man, it's always nice. I'll have to do a stretch later. I'm kind of warmed up and ready to go, you know. I also have glute bands to keep them on the go, because that's the secret to healthy hips. Even that a few times, especially in the heat, keep you on point, doesn't it? Brother, keep you on point, won't it? It only means you can ski longer and harder. Why wouldn't you want that?
One more round of pong before.
Good idea.
Before surfing.
Yeah, good idea.
We are English after all.
We are English after all. Boom, 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 boom. See you down there.
Have fun.
I got a jellyfish in my t-shirt. Yeah! First screw, alright Danny, hit it mate! Alright, it's been a fantastic time here in Miramar Surf Camp. Thank you so much to everybody involved, everybody in Nicaragua for our trip. It's been wonderful. It's been the most amazing little hiatus in the middle of the winter to make just refresh, hit the refresh button and give me that little bit of stoke factor from a complete outside source. And I couldn't be more grateful, I couldn't be more pumped. I can't wait to get back to skiing. We're flying into Barcelona tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at 5 AM to get the swell just before we leave. Taxi to the airport, flying to Barcelona, then straight into Slush Cup. Cannot wait to see Joss and the whole of the crew, and it's going to be unreal. From here to Sunset Park, see you there.
And I saw the voice, and then there he is.
Looking at us, you guys losing it.
Woodsy, the less you move, the better the shot is.